challenge. I want you to try to learn Cantina band in prestissimo. Some of you guys have been saying the violin tutorials on this channel are too easy. So that's why I want to challenge you that if all the tutorials were too easy for you, try to play this song at this specific speed. Please send it to my Instagram account, tag @Violinspiration, and I would love to see you play this piece. Okay, good luck with the challenge for all the more advanced players on this channel out there. And if you're just at the beginning, don't worry. Just go back to Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Good luck!